Hello and welcome to Tutorials Point. In this session, we'll be learning about DOM, Document Object Model. What is DOM? DOM defines a logical structure of our web page. It defines a tree containing nodes, elements, attributes, everything. This is basically how a web page looks. This is normal structure of a web page containing HTML tag, head tag, body tag, containing paragraph tag in case. So let's see how browser creates a tree, which is known as DOM. First of all, HTML, which is root node. So this is our root, which is always HTML. It contains head and body in So head and body are our element nodes. Body in aggression contains paragraph. So these two becomes paragraph nodes. So a browser stores DOM in form of tree like this. Head can again contain title. If suppose paragraph has some attribute, so we can also create a node like this which denotes attribute. This is how a browser stores DOM in the form of tree, which can easily be accessed and manipulated using JavaScript. That's all for this session. Thank you.